To use the FoamWerks Circle Cutter, first install a blade. Loosen the knob and remove the beam from the center of the machine. On the end of the beam, you will find the blade holding knob and the blade cover. Remove both of these. Place a single blade onto the blade block, going the same direction as the imprint on the plastic. Then replace the blade cover. Now replace the beam into the center of the machine. To determine the diameter of the circle to be cut, loosen the knob and find the scale on the side of the beam. Use this scale to set the diameter of the circle to be cut. When using the FoamWerks Circle Cutter, always see you have a scrap piece of foam board under the foam board you are cutting. Determine the center of the circle by making a reference mark. Now place the FoamWerks Circle Cutter with the centering pin on top of the mark you made. To operate the circle cutter, turn the handle to the right and listen for the blade as it cuts through the foam board and slightly into the scrap foam board underneath. When finished, always remember to rewind the tool before setting it aside. The foam board circle cutter can cut circles from 1 inch up to 6 inches.